I'm Ian Curran, I'm the Lighting Tower Business Development Manager for Himawinsa, and this is a tutorial on the H-Box Plus Lighting Tower. So the first thing, once the machine's been dropped off in its location, is to go around and deploy the legs. You go around the body, each leg is secured inside the machine. And we're just stabilising it as it's sat on its 4 full pockets. It's a very stable unit already. As this machine is going to be operating inside, so we're going to connect the mains that is available for us today. 16 amp, 230 volt supply into the power cubicle on this corner. And then we go to the main control panel for the unit. So we make sure that the selector switch is set to mains, not the genset. That would mean that it's a traditional diesel generator. To deploy the mast, it's simply one finger or thumb, raise the mast. To switch the lights on, one button per light. If it's not where we want it to be, we have a final adjustment we can make. We can unlock the turntable and we can rotate the lighting round to where we want. Once in position, we simply lock in place. To recover the unit, it's the reverse. We come round to the control panel door, switch off the 4 lights and recover the mast. Simple as that. Switch the control panel off, legs into the stow position, and it's good to be removed from site and redeployed elsewhere.